Welcome back to a very quick tutorial by me, Tarrabyte. Today I'm going to show you how to pair Bluetooth audio devices to your Switch. If you didn't know, Nintendo just released previously the 13.0 update, which also released the Bluetooth audio. You've probably already read all this. If you have not, here's the first time in reading it. Pause this, read it. You read it? Good. Well, you have it on your Switch too, so you can read it there as well. Very straightforward. Anything that is Bluetooth audio should now be capable of pairing to your Switch. Now, a couple things. First of all, if you have a Bluetooth speaker and it does not have, or Bluetooth headphones, and it does not have a dedicated Bluetooth button like my JBL speaker here, you just hold down the plus and minus button and it should go into Bluetooth pairing mode. If it does have a dedicated Bluetooth button, all you should have to do is press it once. Or go into pairing mode and leave that on to pairing mode. Go to pair devices and it says searching for Bluetooth audio devices. Make sure the Bluetooth device is ready to pair. There we go, JBL Clip 3. Go ahead and it should automatically connect to it. Sometimes this will happen. If this happens, two simple solutions is just to reset your Bluetooth. Go ahead and rescan for Bluetooth devices. Now, yes, this time it came up, unable to connect, still doing it, so... Oh no, there we go, never mind. So, like, if you had a pair of headphones plugged in, you more than likely know that this is a setting. What I highly recommend is turning this all the way up. Okay, it usually makes a badunk sound, but it's not. But, control it from here, in my personal opinion. Either control it from there or have that turned all the way up. If you're wearing headphones, can have that all the way up and control it with your volume knob. Sadly, no. I am pressing the plus and minus button and it's not doing anything. But it is rather loud. Now, when local communication is on, say like in Pokemon Sword, it will kick the audio from it, so you won't be able to use it. You'll have to turn that off if you want to use Bluetooth. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and the notification button, and come back anytime you want for more videos. Check out the links below to other stuff that I do as well. Buy me a coffee and Ko-fi, or whatever, is down below. Check those out.